welcome back. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make some pizza dough. So the ingredients we need are 1 cup of warm milk, 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 1/4 cups of flour, and a little bit of flour on the sides for when we need the dough. So let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back. So for the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our warm milk and put all of our sugar inside into the milk. Give it a little bit of a stir. And we're also going to be putting our yeast in. And we're gonna want the yeast to, and by the way, the milk has to be warm, and don't make the milk too hot or else the yeast will die. But yeah, so we're gonna wait for this to get a little bit foamy, and it's gonna take 10 minutes, so keep it there for 10 minutes and I'll see you then. Hi everyone, welcome back. So it's been 10 minutes and my yeast is kind of foamy now. So how we're gonna make the dough is, you can see the flour. I'm just gonna use my hands. You can also start off with a spoon. But what we're gonna do first is we're going to add our yeast mixture. Like this. There we go, like that. And our butter. We're basically just gonna add everything in. And half a teaspoon of salt. And now we're just gonna mix it until it becomes kind of in like a dough consistency. You can also put the flour in half by half so that it becomes into a batter consistency first, and then to a dough consistency. I just find it faster to add it all at once, but nothing's really different. It's just easier to mix, and yeah. And there's a dough. We're just gonna knead it for a few times here. Now we don't want to knead it too much or else it'll get stiff and it won't be that good in our pizza. There we go. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just sprinkle a little bit of flour. I'm gonna do it this way actually. Onto my surface. You can use your counter or a cutting board like me. I just don't want to dirty my counter too much, so here we go. And there we go. Try to get all that dough. Just a little bit like this, as you can see. And if it starts to get a little thing, by the way, keep the dough moving a lot, because if you don't keep it moving, then it's gonna stick to everything that it doesn't move on. And if you think it needs more flour, you can put some. I don't think I need more flour in mine, but you can definitely put some if you think it's too sticky. And once it's done, like theirs done, mine's done right now. So once it's done, what we're gonna do is we're going to take another bowl and we're going to put some oil in it. You can put any oil at all. and just kind of spread it around your bowl. And put your dough inside. Kind of put the oil on the dough as well so that it doesn't stick. And once that's done, we're going to cover the dough with a wet towel. And we're going to wait 1 hour for the dough to rise and basically double in size. So see you then. Hi everyone, welcome back. So it's been an hour and as you can see my dough has doubled in size. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna just kind of make little balls for little mini pizzas like that. Just kind of make it into a ball. Sprinkle some flour on the base. There we go. And we're just going to roll it out. And we're just going to, once we've rolled it out, we're going to just bake the pizza base at 375 degrees. Just until it's semi-cooked, because we don't want it to cook all the way, so that we can put some toppings on it and bake it again. And also another tip, don't make it thin, make it pretty thick so that it'll be more of a pizza base. You can make it into a thin pizza base and a thick pizza base. So there it is. I'm just going to bake it now and I'll see you then. Hi everyone, so welcome back. As you can see, my pizza base is semi-baked, not fully baked. Please like and subscribe and comment down below how this recipe went for you, and see you next time. Bye!